Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Ripple cites Thailand and Abu Dhabi pushes a global standard for digital asset class. Guys, this is just some more of the news that's coming out. And let's go back to yesterday's chart now. If you guys saw yesterday's video, I was doing a bit of a technical analysis on the dip, and if XRP dips anymore, where should we kind of look for? And guys, as you can see, this zone was still kind of here from my yesterday's chart, and so we were looking at so this is a 5-minute chart, and I just like to use the 5-minute just so we can kind of zoom in and really kind of gauge what these zones are. And we were talking about old resistance becoming new support. I drew this kind of yellow band here, and as you can see, we've been bouncing off this level of approximately 52.8 to 53.3 in and around there, and now we've bounced off it 1, 2, I guess 3. That's considered 3, and a fourth time over here if you bring the zone over. So we're seeing that as a support level that has been maintained. You know, even if you had purchased here on the second time the zone hit, you would have seen a move up, kind of hitting this same top here. And then going back down and up and down. What my prediction is now after seeing this is that we are probably going to see some consolidation here, probably hovering between 52, 53 cents, somewhere around there, 53 cent range. But if we go on the hourly chart, we can see, all right, so when you look at it this way, it looks kind of like a double top, but it's not really because we didn't see new lows forming here. It's just kind of consolidating. My guess is now that kind of like what we saw back here, we saw it going up and then down, then up and then down. We're going to see some consolidation kind of forming what's called a bullish pennant. That is my thought. Going below 52 cents is, I mean, it's possible, but I think now this is kind of where we're going to find our new base. I'm going to put that, I don't know, dare I say prediction out there. If it goes under 52 cents, of course, people are going to be yelling and screaming at me, but we'll see how it goes, guys. But, you know, everybody's talking about this. Ripple's on fire. XRP surges 20% in 24 hours, and here's why. And I mean, I don't think we can actually pinpoint a particular reason why it has surged. Maybe cumulatively we can kind of discuss some reasons, but I seriously don't think we can actually pin it to one thing. On our report from 10 days ago, Ripple has achieved significant progress in boosting its ecosystem with new partnership solutions and more. On October 23rd, the organization's cryptocurrency has got a dedicated exchange, which is entirely XRP based. A day before, a digital currency loan platform, Nexo, has added the coin as a collateral option for the service's instant crypto loans. While the cryptocurrency exchange Changely has added support for XRP, and another exchange, Coinbase, has been provided an NYDFS license for custody services, Ripple has been on the rise with new partnerships, guys, and we've seen this in the news. Most significant of them, National Bank of Kuwait. However, other institutions such as Sri Lanka's Combank and Texas-based Catalyst Corporate Federal Credit Union, that's the tongue twister, are exploring Ripple's payment services. So guys, we know lots of stuff is coming down the pipe for Ripple and XRapid, and particularly a few days ago, Ripple's XRapid, the company's low-cost and fast cross-border payment solution, enriched a new partner, SendFriend. Although it's still in its early access, several organizations, including cryptocurrency exchanges Bittrex and Bitso, as well as the currency specialist MercuryFX, have requested access to Ripple's cross-border payment solutions. And of course, there was also the summit in Dubai, Global Islamic Economic Summit 2018, where there were some goodies to be had. The UAE government seeks to move half of its transactions to blockchain by 2020, which was quite a significant statement. Dilip Rao was there representing Ripple. And so that's not all, you know. We have Coil and XRP TipBot grabbing mainstream adoption for XRP as well. And you can read all about that here. I've talked about that in a different video as well, where you can now tip using XRP, using Wheatswind's TipBot via your smartphone. In this article too, there was a talk about this report here, brought to us by Bank XRP. So here's the tweet from Bank XRP. I'm also going to show you that the digital asset investor did do a video on this as well. He goes through it quite thoroughly. I wanted to just touch on this though, in terms of the target price of $1.75. And so if you watch the digital asset investors video, he talks about how the price target of XRP should probably be, in his opinion, should probably be around that. And that's why they put a price target of $1.75 in its current state right now. And $1.75, you know, right now in its infancy, really when things are just starting to take off, I think is not terrible. You know, if you look at it from an investor's point of view, guys, we have been seeing XRP just basically in the dumps for months. Okay, and if we could see a price of, let me just put and I put a price line here. There's horizontal line. I think that'll do it. That's about, right there. That is about $1.75. So if that is the real value of XRP right now, we've had quite a lot of time to be buying in at these low prices ever since, really ever since mid-January. It dropped below that on January 15th. And ever since then, we saw XRP kind of, you know, meander down like the other cryptos. But guys, you know, when you start seeing new highs, and this goes with anything, this is XRP on a daily, and you start seeing new highs for them and higher lows for them. I made that mistake yesterday. I don't know why. Higher lows, new highs. This is when a bull run is being primed, likely to occur. So we just need to see another new high form after the September 20th high of roughly 79 cents. And we're starting to see that, right? Down, up, kind of meandered a bit, and then we saw a little bit of a bull trend up. And who knows how long this will take. It could take one day or it could take several days. But this is what we got to keep our eye on, guys. I think the bear market's done. XRP is still under $1. I think it's a great time to buy. As I always say, it's a great time to buy. The last thing you want to do is to buy when the market's in skyrocket mode. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.